Sick of going through gift guides where they save the best thing for last? Not here, not us. I've got it right in this box. The guide. What's up, guys? Are you considering gifting a knife sharpener this season but don't know where to start? I've narrowed it down to 3 sharpeners that are easily giftable to anyone, and one at the end you can't go wrong with. Let's kick things off with our newest sharpener in the lineup, the Rolling Knife Sharpener. What makes this sharpener so great is that sharpening can kind of be an intimidating process. Not with this. This makes it so easy. And it's a fun way to sharpen a knife. When you gift this to someone, they're gonna wanna get it out and play with it and learn how to use it. It's a fun way to sharpen. It's compact, fits easily in your drawers, makes a great gift for anyone. Next up, let's talk about the knife and tool sharpener. This is a sharpener for someone who's not afraid to use power tools. It's a great sharpener because not only can it do knives, it can also sharpen hatchets, axes, lawnmower blades, so it's a real versatile tool. This is a great sharpener for someone who wants to get in, get sharp, and get back to work. Next up, we've got the Precision Adjust Family. Ranging from the base model to the Pro, the Precision Adjust Family is perfect for the knife nerd in your life. I've got a large collection of knives myself, and this is my personal favorite. It allows me to tinker and play around a little bit with the angles on my knives and nerd out on abrasives. If that sounds like someone in your life, then this is the perfect sharpener for them and their family. Finally, it all comes down to this, the guided field sharpener. If you're still on the fence about which sharpener to get, you can't go wrong with the guided field sharpener. This has been a fan favorite since day one. What makes it so great is it teaches you how to sharpen a knife by hand. It's packable, it can go in the truck or in your bag, and it complements all of our other sharpeners as well to be able to maintain your edges. Knife sharpeners make great gifts. Who doesn't have knives? You can find these sharpeners at most of your major retailers out there or at worksharptools.com. Thanks for watching, guys.
Family.